Welcome, excuse me. Welcome to Learning Base Africa Mental Maths Live Class. If you can hear me, type 100 in the comment section. If you can hear me, type 100 in the comment section. This is Mental Math class for Basic 4 to 6. For some time, we have been learning some mental math concepts. For some time, we have all been learning some mental math concepts, and I am so excited tonight that we're going to learn more concepts in mental math. I hope you're ready. All right, so if you can hear me, like I said, type 100 in the comment section. If you can hear me loud and clear, type 100 in the comment section. Now, we're going to learn how to easily multiply numbers. We're going to learn how to easily multiply numbers. So we're dealing with easy multiplication. Easy multiplication. Now, this mental math strategy is only applicable to multiplying numbers that end with 1. Numbers ending with 1. Okay, we are applying this method to multiplying two-digit numbers ending with 1. Now, let's start with the first example by multiplying 21 by 31. I know my students that are in the regular class know this very well. How do we multiply this without using our pen and our book, without using a calculator? You go out somewhere and you need to multiply numbers that end with 1, like 21 times 31. And in less than 5 seconds, you're able to tell us the answer. Okay, so now this is how to do it. The first thing you're going to do, we know that these numbers, 21 and 31, end with 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. I'm writing 1 down under the unit place. Then the first thing I'm going to do is to add up these two digits. 2 plus 3, that is 5. I'm going to write down 5. After adding 2 and 3, I'm going to multiply them. So 2 times 3 is 6. So 21 times 31 is equal to 651. There's going to be competition between boys and girls tonight, so I want you to pay attention and make sure you have a good grasp of this method, all right? Now, another example. 21 times 41. We are going to do the same thing. 1 times 1 is 1. Now, moving on to the digits under the 10 place, you're going to add 2 to 4 first. 2 plus 4, that is 6. Then we're going to multiply the two numbers. 2 times 4, that is 8. So 21 times 41 is equal to 861. Now, you can go ahead and use your long multiplication to try this out if you're going to get the answer right. The answer will still be the same. Now, the third example. What is 61 times 31? The same method, 1 times 1, that is 1. Let's add 6 and 3 together. That will give us 9. Then multiply 6 by 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Write down 18. So 61 times 31 is equal to 1,891. Now, for this answer that we just got now for number 3, everybody type it in the comment section. Type this answer in the comment section now. Awesome, awesome. Now, moving on to the next example. What is 91 times 21? Make sure you pay attention at this point because we will be having a carrying over. What is 91 times 21? Now we're going to multiply the digits under the unit place. We're going to add 9 and 2. 9 plus 2, that is 11. Write 1. Carry 1 over. Then we will multiply 9 by 2. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus the 1 that was carried is 19. So 19 will be written down. So 91 times 21 is 1,911. Now type the answer to this in the comment section. Thank you. You've done that. Great. Now let's move on to the next one. Now this is 51 times 71. 1 times 1, that is 5 plus 7. That's the first thing you're going to do. 5 plus 7 is 12. Write 2, carry 1 over. Then 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus the 1 that was carried over, that's 36. Write down 36. So 51 times 71 is equal to 3,621. That's amazing, right? So you can do this in your head because this particular method is for you to multiply two-digit numbers ending with 1. All right? Now the next one. 41. What is 41 times 81? We're going to do the same thing. 1 times 1 will give us 1. Then the next thing to be done is to add 8 and 4 together. 4 plus 8 is 32. Write 2. 4 plus 8 is 12, rather, not 32. I was already multiplying, right? 4 plus 8 is 12. Write 2, carry 1 over. Then 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus the 1 that was carried is 33. Write down 33. So 41 times 81 is equal to 3,321. 41 times 81 is equal to 3,321. Thank you for typing that in the comment section. That's amazing. Now it is question time for this type of multiplication. Question time. It is diamonds time or stars time. I hope you are ready. If you get the first question right, you have 3 diamonds for yourself. So the first question is this. What is 51 times 41? What is 51 times 41? I want to see the students with the fastest fingers. Students with the fastest fingers. Wow, amazing. 51 times 41. Wow, awesome. Wow. Wow, Freda, how are you? Yes, I can see Blessed. I can see Fola. I can see Shemilore. Awesome. I can see Michelle. Amazing. Okay, so let's see the correct answers. Let's see the correct. I can see Eunice. Eunice, how are you? Okay, so 51 times 41. Let's see. So, wow, you were able to do this math question. You were able to solve it mentally. How amazing. Okay, that's fantastic. So, let's do it together. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 times 4 is 20. Can you see that? In less than 4 seconds, we've been able to get the answer. So, the answer is 2091. If you type 2091, give yourself 3 diamonds. So this particular question has 3 diamonds. If you got the answer right, type 3 diamonds. Okay, you can post 3 diamonds in the comment section. That's for you. Now, I already have question 2 on my screen. So look at the screen and tell me the answer to question 2. What is the answer to question 2? For this correct question, if you get the answer right, I'm giving you 4 diamonds. If you get the answer right, I'll be giving you 4 diamonds. So type the correct answer in the comment section. I can see lots of correct answers. Nobody wants to miss out. Okay, all right. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I can see Timileyin and Remu. Yes, your answer is correct. For last answer is correct. The student with Ima Udo is correct. Shemilore Okay, correct. Goodness and Mercy, correct. Gibson, correct. Olumati, correct. The student with Bimbo Motosho, correct. The student with Ezeji Precious, correct. Jemima, check your answer again, Jemima. Damilola, your answer is correct. The student with Edon Kumo, Gladys, check your answer. Okay, David, correct. Patricia, correct. Jesse, correct. The student with Oluwakemi Akikaunsi, check your answer again. You didn't add the one that was carried over. Ifeanyi Chukwu, correct. The student with Lady Lily, you are correct. School of Influence, correct. Michelle, correct. Blessed Olabode, correct. Fola, correct. Enlighten, correct. Every woman, correct. Elvis, correct. Sharon, correct. Ifeanyi Chukwu, correct. Praise, correct. Yes, give yourself 4 diamonds. So, how do we do this? 1 times 1 is 1. 6 plus 5 is 11. Write 1, carry 1 over. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 1 that was carried, that's 31. Can you see how fast it is? 4 diamonds in the comments. Post only 4 diamonds in the comment section. If you are enjoying the class, type 1000 in the comment section also. If you are enjoying the class, type 1000 in the comment section. More questions are coming. The next question is on the screen. Do the question for number 3 and type your answer in the comment section. This question will attract 5 diamonds. If you get this question right, you get the answer right, you're going to have 5 diamonds. So let's go. What is the answer to number three question? Fantastic. I can see lots of correct answers. Okay, I can see an answer from Mubashiru. I can see enlighten, Timilenya Remu, Ella, yeah, Olumati Anthony, Ifeanyi Chukwu. Yes, correct answer from Gibson Ibo, Fola, Michelle. Correct answer from Shemilore, Sharon, JC. Okay, Jemima, every woman. Correct answer from Olatunde Ogutuga. Correct answer from Patricia Elvis. David, Mubashiru, Chinazam Grace. I can see Jotam, Praise. Yes. Ezeji Precious, Blessed. If you type too many zeros, you won't see it posted, okay? So make sure you're being careful with whatever you type in the comment section. All right, I can see lots of correct answers. Koyumi Manuel, Oluwakemi Akikaunsi. We also have correct answer from Faith. Yes, Faith. School of Influence. Then I have Fatima Sonny, Lady Lily, Mofe, Moronfolu. All right, and so many other correct answers. Eniolua, all right, Phoebe, all right, and lots more. So let's do it together. 1 times 1, that's 1. 7 plus 3, that's 10. Right? 0, carry 1. Then 7 times 3 is 21. Plus the 1 that was carried, that is 22. So 71 times 31 is equal to 2,201. Now, like I said, yourself 5 diamonds. Don't type diamonds. Only post what I ask you to post. So you have 5 diamonds. All right. Now, the fourth question, before we move on to general math, the fourth question, what is 41 times 61? What is 41 times 61? Do it mentally. I want you to do it mentally. Do not use your pen and your book. Do not use a calculator. It's very simple. Just multiply the ones under units. Add up 4 and 6 together. You may have a carryover. Multiply 4 and 6 together. Then you have the correct answer. Add up the one that was carried to your answer. So what is the correct answer? Amazing. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I'm going to mention the names of those who posted the correct answer. I have Stina Travels. Okay, that was for the previous question. Timileyin Aremu, your answer is correct. Fola, your answer is correct. Ifeanyi Chukwuoya Kelem, Sharon, Gibson Ibo, Michelle, I have Shemilore Soulbox. I have Damilola Enlighten. Olumati Anthony. I have Patricia, Ella, JC, Every Woman, Jemima. Jemima, check your answer. Your answer is incorrect. Ima, Udo, David, Goodness and Mercy. Wow. Love it, Ikwase. That's Faith. Okay. Olatunde Ogotuga. I have Chinazam Grace. Then I have Famotele Aderonke, Uche, Enioluwa, Ogundare. Fantastic. Joltam. All right. The student with Barnabas Tani, the student with Olatunde Ogotuga, the student with Akikaunsi, Lady Lily, Ezeji Precious, Chika Okafor, the student with Ifeyinwa Ezeugbo. Please check your answer. Ugochinyere Elvis Okorume, correct. Love Emmanuel, correct. School of Influence, correct. Olatunde Ogotuga, correct. All right, and so many other correct answers. I have Phoebe, I have Zabel, I have Jemima. All right, I have Blessed. Blessed, please check your answer. All right, so let's do it together. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 plus 6 is 10. Write 0, carry 1 over. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 1, that's 25. So the answer is 2,501. 41 times 61 is equal to 2,501. If you're following me in this class, type 90 in the comment section. If you're following me in this class, type 90 in the comment section. Type 90 in the comment section. So previously we've been learning algebra. We have learned examples of algebra. We have also learned how to identify like and unlike terms. We have learned coefficients. All right, we have learned coefficients. So I'm going to give you an assessment now on coefficients. Now, my first question, if you know you were here, and if you know you were not here, just pay attention. Now, let's do it together before I ask question. Now, when we talk about coefficients, we talk about the number multiplying the letter or the number that is beside the letter. Now, look at this. This is 4x. 4 is the coefficient in this term. We call 4x a term. 4 is the coefficient of x in 4x, okay? In 4x, 4 is the coefficient of x. Now, in 5m, 5 is the coefficient of m. 5 is the coefficient of m because 5 is multiplying the letter, the unknown, or 5 is beside the unknown. 5 is the number multiplying the letter or the symbol. So that number that is multiplying the symbol is known as the coefficient. Now, 5m means 5 times m. 4x means 4 times x. That's the meaning. So the number multiplying the unknown is the coefficient of the variable, is the coefficient of the letter, or the coefficient of the symbol. Okay, now let's look at what coefficients, or let's identify coefficients in other terms. Now, what's the coefficient of y in this particular term, which is y? Which number is multiplying y? There is no number beside y, but the number that is there that you can see is 1. So 1 is the coefficient of y. When you see a symbol standing on its own or a letter standing on its own, the coefficient of that letter is 1. The coefficient, I hope you understand. Now, let's look at the coefficient of z over 15. Now, in z over 15, the coefficient of z is 1 over 15. Don't forget I said when a letter is standing on its own, the coefficient of that letter is 1. So you look at it that 1 is the coefficient of z. 1 is beside z. So that will be 1 over 15. So 1 over 15 is the coefficient of z. 1 over 15 of z. I hope you understand this. Now it is question time based on coefficient. It is question time based on coefficient. Now, I have only two questions to ask you, and I'm using it as a competition between boys and girls. So I'll be giving the marks if I see that a male got the answer right. So if you want to post your answer, please ensure you type boy or girl beside your answer. If you are a boy, type boy beside your answer. If you are a girl, type girl beside your answer. I hope that is clear. Now, this is the first question. What is the coefficient of h in 3h? What is the coefficient of h in 3h? Don't forget to write with your answer male if you are a male or female if you are a female. I want to see who wins this particular race of ours. Okay, I have quick answers here. So somebody said go girls. So I've seen the first person to answer this question was a male. Okay, I'm picking only the first 10, followed by a female, followed by another male, followed by a female, followed by a female, followed by a female, followed by a male, followed by a female and another female, followed by another female, and followed by a male. So let's count. Are we up to 10? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 11, we have 11 here. The first 11 that are correct. Out of 11, 7 are girls. So for this first question, the girls are the winner. All right, so let's move on to the next question. In this term, what is the coefficient of W? 2W over 7. What is the coefficient of W? Let me see. I know that this particular question, oh my God, I want to see who gets it right. What is the coefficient of W in this question? Let's see. Go boys, go boys, go boys, go boys, go boys. Let's go, boys. What's the coefficient of W? Make sure you think very well. Think very well. If not, you won't win it. Okay. I haven't seen the correct answer from the first 5 answers right here. I've not seen the correct answer. I'm only waiting. Yes, I've seen the correct answer. A boy got the answer first. So I'm going to give the boy a circle here so we can identify, followed by a girl. Okay, followed by, let me see, another girl, followed by, wow. I don't know whether this student is, yes, followed by, I think the student wrote male. So that's a boy. Let's see. If you don't write your, okay, yes, followed by a girl now, followed by a boy. I'm picking the first 11. Okay, followed by a boy. So who wins this? If I don't see whether you are a male or female, I won't be able to pick your answer. All right, followed by a girl, followed by a boy. The boys and the girls are really moving alongside. Jotham, that's a boy, followed by another boy. So let's add up together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 6 boys and 5 girls. So for this question, the boys are the winner. For question 1, the girls are the winner. For question 2, the boys are the winner. So the coefficient of 2w over 7 is equal to 2 over 7. 2 over 7 is the coefficient of w. 2 over 7 is the coefficient of w. I gave you the example. I told you that in z over 15, 1 over 15 is the coefficient of z. So you shouldn't throw away the denominator because the denominator matters in the term. All right? That's awesome. So let's go back to our Yes, yes, yes. So now let's go back to equation. So how can we quickly solve a simple equation like we did in the previous class? So for now, the boys are winners, the girls are winners, so we are all winners. So now how can we quickly solve a simple equation? So now let's solve the following. Solve the following. Solve the following. Now look at the first one. Q minus 7 is equal to 8. That is, something minus 7 is equal to 8. So when we are asked to solve an equation, it means we should find the value of the unknown. And the unknown here is Q. So we need to find the value of Q. How do we get rid of minus 7? For you to take minus 7 or for you to kill minus 7, you need to do the opposite. The opposite of minus 7 is plus 7. The opposite of minus 7 is plus 7. So you're going to use the opposite to kill the minus 7. So since the opposite is plus 7, you will say add 7 to both sides. That is, we'll add 7 to the left side. Okay, we have what we call left hand side and right hand side. So LHS means left hand side. RHS means right hand side. So now you add 7 to the left side. The left side is Q minus 7. Then the right side is 8. You can see that the equal sign is in between the left and the right side. So let's add 7 to both sides. 9, that's Q minus 7 plus 7 equals 8 plus 7. All right. So when you have minus and plus with the same number, it will give you 0. So minus 7 plus 7 is 0. Then you're left with Q. Q is equal to, then 8 plus 7 is 15. So the unknown value is 15. So Q minus 7 is equal to 8. Therefore, the value of Q is 15. This is how to solve a simple equation. So which means where we have the letter Q, if you substitute for 15 or you replace the letter Q with 15, that will be 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. The statement is true. All right. Now let's look at number 2. Let's solve for number 2. Solve for x. Solve number 2. Solve for x. F plus 2 equals 20. It means a number added to 2 will give us 20. So what is that number? Now identify your LHS and your RHS. Your LHS means left hand side. Okay, left hand side. Your RHS means right hand side. Now, anytime we've been asked to solve an equation, it means we should balance it up. Okay, which means the value on the left must be equal to the value on the right. So on the left hand side, we have F plus 2. On the right hand side, we have 20. So this is my RHS. This is my LHS. So now for me to get rid of plus 2, because I need to make F stand alone, so I need to get rid of plus 2. The opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. Don't forget I told you that minus is the opposite of plus, or plus is the opposite of minus. Now, since the opposite of plus 2 is minus 2, we are going to subtract 2 from both sides, from the left hand side and from the right hand side. So I'm going to say subtract 2 from both sides. Subtract 2 from both sides. So that will be F plus 2 minus 2 equals 20 minus 2. So you can see that I am doing to the left side what I did to the right side, or I'm doing to the right side what was done to the left side. So plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So we are left with F. So F is equal to 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. So it means the unknown value, which is F, is equal to 18. So if you replace the letter F with 18 and say 18 plus 2 equals 20, the statement is true. I hope you understand. If you're following me, type 80 in the comment section. Awesome. So let's start with the first question. It is question time, stars time. This time I'm giving everybody stars for giving us the correct answer. Now solve. Solve k plus 7 is equal to 11. Type the correct answer in the comment section. What is the value of k? Solve k plus 7 is equal to 11. What is the correct answer? Fantastic. So many correct, so many answers are correct. So let's do it together. Let's see if your answer is correct. So now identify your left hand side. This is my left hand side. This particular side is my right hand side, which is the RHS. Now the equal sign is the midpoint, okay? It's in between the term on the left hand side and the term on the right hand side. So we need to find the value of k, right? So we're going to get rid of plus 7. The opposite of plus 7 is equal to minus 7. So because it is minus 7, we will say subtract 7 from both sides. Subtract 7 from both sides. So that will be k plus 7 minus 7 equals 11 minus 7. Whatever you do to the left-hand side, you do the same thing to the right-hand side. So plus 7 minus 7 will give us 0. So we will be left with k equals 11 minus 7, that is 4. So it means the value of k is 4. So if we replace the letter k with 4 and say 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, the statement is true, which means our answer is correct. So if you typed 4 as your answer, give yourself 4 stars. If you typed 4 as the answer, give yourself 4 stars. Now, the last question for this class. Solve. Solve d minus 14 equals 5. D minus 14 equals 5. What is the correct answer? What is the value of D? Find D. If D minus 14 is equal to 5, find the value of D. Amazing. Wow, wow, wow. Always check your answer after posting it. Sometimes you may think you have posted the correct answer, but it may be the wrong answer. All right, so let's do it together. D minus 14 equals 5. So we have the left hand side, we have the right hand side. Now we need to get rid of minus 14 so that D can stand alone. So for us to get rid of minus 14, we need to use the opposite of minus 14. The opposite of minus 14 is plus 14. So because it is plus 14, we say add 14 to both sides. We say add 14 to both sides. Both sides means add 14 to the left hand side, add 14 to the right hand side. So that will be D minus 14 plus 14 equals 5 plus 14. So minus 14 plus 14 is 0. Okay, we are left with D. So D, 5 plus 14 is 19. So if you type 19 as your answer, give yourself 4 stars. If you typed 19 as your answer, give yourself 4 stars. Amazing. So I believe many of you have either 4 stars or 8 stars for this general math concept. I hope you enjoyed this class and I hope you have learned a lot in this class. Thanks for attending this class. I'll see you in another mental math live class. Goodbye, everyone.